So I'm originally from Montreal, Canada. That's where I was born and raised. My family brought me down to Florida, to Tampa, Florida, when I was around the age of 12. My dad's business moved us down there. I went to school, middle school, high school in Florida. I went to college at the University of Florida. Go Gators. I went to medical school at Florida State University, did my training there, met my wife during that time while she was in law school, also at the Florida State University. And then both of us decided on coming back up to the north. She had been in Florida her whole life, and myself being from Canada wanted to give the winter season another chance. So we went up to Vermont where I did my residency training at the University of Vermont, up in Burlington, Vermont. Enjoyed it up there, spent 3 years there, decided that was enough of the cold, wanted to get back to warm weather, so then we luckily both worked hard to find a good place and landed in Wilmington, North Carolina, and found Wilmington Health, so it was a perfect fit. So I think the first time I ever really thought about being a doctor was actually with the passing of my grandmother. This was up while I was living in Canada. I felt that she passed away in a hospital and didn't receive the best care there. Nobody really paid a lot of attention to her there. She wasn't really treated as a person, more or less just as a disease. And that's kind of where I got that first inclination that I wanted to be somebody that people could rely on and talk to and really get to know and to help these people. And that's the first time I really thought of being a doctor. So I think the thing I enjoy the most is having that ability to talk to my patients, having a little more time than I guess some would being in the hospital or being a surgeon, where you don't really ever get to know your patient. More or less you just know what you're supposed to operate on or the disease you're taking care of. Whereas I get to meet the person, get to know them, and that's really fun for me. It makes my day a lot more enjoyable, and I get to take care of them as a plus. So things I enjoy spending time with my wife, my dog. I like biking, running, hiking are some of the things I enjoy. Trying to get into kayaking now that I'm in the warmer weather with the beach and the lakes around. Those are mostly the things I enjoy doing.